finished. That can't be £10, that unit. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are heading to IKEA today. I haven't been to IKEA in ages and it'd be exciting to see what they've got. Made it to IKEA, finally. Oh my god, it was a horrendous drive. Couldn't get there, and now we're going through, so for that. We got really lost, but we're here now, so here we go. I better put my mask on. I like that. That's like ours, isn't it? No, I don't think we should go for those sort of boxes. I think we should go for just plain cardboard. Hudson would love this Lego. I don't know. Oh, Mum. Oh, look. Oh, I like that. The stripes.
Yeah, I was going to say that's that one.
Yeah, that's that one.
Is it just the cover?
Yeah, I think it's just the cover. £6.50. Love this kitchen. So pretty. Sort of thing I'd go for. Love it. Me and Mum are obsessed with that kitchen. Love it. Are those similar, like the new version of like our cities we've got? They're similar but like a different material?
Yeah, it's new covers. You probably ought to buy the covers.
Oh, I love this.
I do like these.
I'm not sure because he's had them similar, like the white ones though. I just think there's no point going from the white to the grey. I think cardboard. Going for the cardboard vibe for the room.
The linen.
Oh, is that the chair Rachel's given us to use?
Yes.
We've got that chair.
Yeah.
£199. I like that. Oh, I even like this one. It's really old-fashioned. Mum's got an obsession with pillow covers, haven't you, Mum?
I can't help it.
I've got an obsession with bedding.
I'm just obsessed.
I like the blue. I love anything with loads of colours. Look at that. I love this armchair, the yellow, Mum. Orangey mustard colour chair. Absolutely love it. What are you looking at? What have you found, Mum? Oh my gosh, look at it! It's so tiny. Hudson and Teddy could sit on this. So tiny. I don't know if you can see how small it is compared to like that. Oh my gosh. I want to sit in it. Do you think it'd hold my weight?
I don't know.
Get a picture in there. Can you take a picture of me in it? Oh, I like that. I like that little table and chairs and the little chair over there. I like this one. Is it £429? It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, that looks really comfy though. I love that chair, Mum. The blue. Oh, I like that, Mum. Those are.
What are those?
They're so
Look,
cute.
with little chairs on.
Cute.
So do you like that little footstool? It looks like it should come.
I like the colour of that armchair. It's like the one we've got, but a different colour.
Stone.
I like that.
It. Yeah.
Cushion covers. How much are they? £12?
Look at those.
Oh, I love them together. That one and then that one together. I love all the patterns with it as well.
I think £12, this combination.
I love all the patterns together. Where's this bedding from? In here, I want that.
It's not bad for those curtains.
It's not bad, is it?
That's a nice frame.
I love the double rails and then the double curtains. They're really lovely, that material, Mum.
It's nice material.
And they're only 35.
I feel this that size.
Would that fit my window? It would, wouldn't it? Very modern, isn't it? Very bachelor pad, I think.
Very nice.
Bachelor pad, dinner, dining, like room area and a TV area. It's really cute. The lights.
I like the awning.
I like that. I wonder if you could get IKEA to do that for you. Because you can like make things, can't you, and design things here. Love this little settee area. Evelyn and Harper. I love that baby pink. It's very subtle. Really subtle, but really lovely. Love it. Oh, I like the marbly sort of colour there.
I wouldn't have said I would like that.
But it's really nice with that sort of theme. Oh, I like this. This is very me. This is very vintage, old-fashioned. Wouldn't you say? Oh my gosh, this is the vibe I would go for. Something very individual. If I ever had a house, or hopefully one day I would, I'd do it like something like this. I love the rug, Mum.
Got the double curtain, look.
I do love the double curtain. How do they do that?
It's the double rail.
And the settee, oh, it's so comfy. Love this, Mum. I could live in this room.
I expect somebody popped their head through the window with a nice apple pie.
Yeah, nice apple pie. Love it. Absolutely love that room. Look at that. I'm going to get another.
It's like grey unit.
I like the grey unit. I love the little, checkedy sort of chair. That's cute. And the little cabinet, Mum. Isn't that cute? Very old fashioned, but it's very in now. Very vintage. What are you thinking for?
Oh, I was thinking maybe drinks, glasses, nibbles, bottle storage.
Oh yeah, get some bottles of wine in there. Rachel got the train track from here.
I think so. We bought some as well,
What's
didn't
this?
we? Oh, see, I like
Oh,
that.
that's cute. I like that hangy thing. What? Is that only £12? Oh, I love these little
I like lockers.
lockers. That is so cute. I love how they do these rooms. It must be really fun to do these designs.
Galvanised shelving. Maybe we could do that in the garage.
Yeah, that'd be a good one. Because I did consider getting the silver man for Dad, but we went for the metal black with the wooden shelving instead. I don't think it's £10, is it? Leave. If this unit here, I don't know if you can see behind me, the metal unit, if it's £10, we're like, that is a bargain. £10.
That's what it says. Shelving unit.
£10? Are you kidding me? Get about 100 of them. Look how nice they are. Are you asking the man if it's £10?
Yeah.
Just found out those metal units were definitely £10.
Don't tell anyone.
£10, but they might not have them in stock, so we're going to have a look. But £10, I can't believe it. Cute. Oh, I love that.
I like the little stools.
They're cute stools. Love that. I love the black and white, don't you? And the
Those little wooden stools.
maybe for Teddy and
Hudson. in
Hudson. Oh, yeah. Even this little stool over here, Mum.
These trucks.
This little stool here.
Yeah, I like that.
We haven't bought anything yet, or picked up anything yet. Well, actually, Mum picked up the pillowcases. We love this little kitchen. We need to find some storage. I find it really awkward videoing when people are around. But, oh, I love this. Cute. I'm just trying to avoid people hiding from them. Because it's really awkward. Taps. We need a new tap for our kitchen, don't we, Mum? Because it's all broken. So we're looking at these taps. I love these black ones.
So-
But like, is that cheaper than going like Homebase or something?
Yeah, I mean, this is 40 quid.
I think maybe get a tap today. What do you
I
think?
can't, not until we sort out the worktop.
Okay. It's over there as well, Mum. I like this colour basket. Nice. We're thinking some sort of one of these sort of pole hanger rail things on the wall for Dad's room, isn't
Probably
it?
have to go where the shelving unit is going to go.
Yeah, with it
You'd
though.
have to go.
You could
on the
put it
wall
in and
behind.
you could like, I don't know, it could all blend in together, couldn't it?
Yeah, and just hang stuff on
I
it.
like the little buckets and stuff. Ooh, I like these chairs here. Oh, they've got the green pillows, Mum, like the ones we like, with the ties. Oh, I like this pillow here as well. This one, it's cute. Like a good little desk chair for my room. And I've just got that metal one that's not the comfiest, not great for doing my work. I'm just using it from the spare room. Like that for Dad's room.
Yeah. How much
Right.
is it? Let's get the ticket so we know where it is if we can get it.
£40, is it?
Yeah.
I'll pop it down. My favourite part is the bedding. Oh, I love all those colourful
not buying any
pillows.
bedding.
Oh, I love bedding. No. I love blue. Oh, what's this? This is cute. Oh, I love that chair. I love the plain white bedding. I love the layers. I love the colours. I love that. Oh. I feel like I'm going bridal shopping with all this. It's gorgeous. Look at that little dress full of children. Oh my god. How cute is that? Love that. I love that. I love everything. IKEA is just the best. Storage, is it now? Let's go this way. It's cute. That's like the units we've got, I think. Similar to that, but with wooden.
Right. Yeah.
And then these are the cardboard boxes I was talking about.
How much are they each?
They're £1 each. But they're not here, I don't think. They're in the another bit. We collect them. I think they'd be handy, don't you?
Yeah, so you should be able to fit CDs in there double, shouldn't you?
Oh yeah. Like these ideas.
15 quid, Liz?
What's that? It's not. I did want another curtain rail. I've got so many clothes, Mum. I wanted one that would look really slick and clean, like a more of a metal sort of one though.
Yeah, but you have it in your room.
Like a black metal. I'd have it in the spare room when I'm doing my vlogging and like videos and hauls and stuff. It's not.
Yeah, but a smaller one.
You can even get a smaller one.
Yeah.
£7. I'll take it a little.
Self-serve area. 2 quid.
£2?
Yeah.
Fake plant.
How
For Dad's
cute
room,
is
we go on one of his
Should I
shelves.
get two?
Yeah, I think it would probably be quite cool. Get a little bit of contrast. Yeah, get it.
Who doesn't like a fake plant?
Yeah, I got one that looks a bit more
Healthy.
healthier looking.
Even though
for
it's
Dad.
plastic,
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
plastic, sorry. But we will use it. I love the gin glasses. Don't you? We love a gin. They're really nice. You're gonna get some glasses. Get rid of some of our skanky ones. We don't really, do we? We could get a box of them. How much? Is it £1.75 each? We'll get some normal then, yeah. Get some normal ones as well. I like that shape one.
I think they're really nice and they feel nice to hold.
Yeah, that was like the gym ones. They feel really nice. I think get a box of those.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Box of 6.
Box of 6. We are in love right now with all these pillows. Oh, I just love all the embroidery on them. Oh, and these cushions for the chairs. Mum, I've got one like that in my room, but from TK Maxx.
Not as nice.
It's not as nice as my velvet one. Oh, what is this? I like that. Oh, I love these pillows. Oh, I like that one, Mum. We're going to go for these pink ones.
Yeah.
We think they're really pretty. They've got purple, they've got all sorts. Oh, I like the red ones, Mum.
They don't go
They're
with
quite
anything.
cute. But they're only £1.75. Cushion covers. Just want to find the curtain rails. Oh, here's Mum. Oh, so you must add them, like that one there. So you buy them separately. The poles are only £1 there. Oh, the kids' stuff is so cute. If I was Rachel, I'd be going mad and tall. I'd be like, I want this, I want that. Oh, the little table and chairs. What is this one? We're nearly done. We're trying to rush through because there's going to be a lot of traffic and we're really hot in these masks. I'm kind of getting a bit sick of this now. Ready? Oh, under the bed storage. I do need a lot. I love under bed storage. I'm going to go for these cardboard boxes for my dad's room because they're only £1 and they are so good. Oh my gosh. How on earth? I think I need to make them a bit. Okay, let's have a look. Nearly there. Mum's got the boxes. I've got the bag of goodies. It's so heavy. So much stuff in them. Oh, didn't have any trolleys where we were, so I had to grab a bag and it's so heavy. Oh, we're missing out on all the lights and stuff, Mum. Oh, they're so nice. Look. Heading to the checkout. Mum, you exhausted? That means yes. So tired. Let's get out, get back in that car and drive home. 30-minute drive. Yeah, we will. It's flat packed. It'll be fine. Let's get a trolley just for the last bit. Oh no! But do we need any more rugs? I think we've got enough, haven't we? You've got that rug you bought recently.
I put that on the bottom.
Yeah. Get this off my shoulder.
Then you should hang that bag on the handles there.
Oh god. How do you do that? Oh, you can do it the tighter one.
That's fine. As long as the glasses are
Just glass, don't do that. Right, this is all our stuff. We've been carting around with us. Just don't hit, we don't want to stab anyone with the pole.
I'm going to hold the pole.
Yeah, it might be easier.
What area have we got to go to for the flat pack?
I'll get it up on my phone now. I'm videoing on. That's what we've got. What? Oh, what is that? Let's have a look, Mum. Let's look for the... Oh, it's there, Mum. The little thing.
What's this trolley? Let me go.
Alright, so Teddy, we were going to get you this, we were thinking, but we realised you've got plenty of cars and tractors. Teddy's my nephew, he's nearly 3. And it might be a bit babyish for him, but he does have so many cars and tractors and stuff. Does he really need any more? You know, less is more sometimes. Sorry, Rach, sorry, Rob, but we ain't going for the tractor today because we're getting something different for him today. I'm getting something special for Christmas, so you won't be able to find out until then. We're going to the aisle with the silver units. I'm going to have a look now on my phone. I think looks like it's going to be over this side. Whew, nearly done. We're nearly done. Over here, Mum. It's really hard to steer these. Aisle 15, location 18. Location 18, where's that? Aha, no. That's not it. So we found what we wanted, the metal silver units that were £10 and £7 for the smaller one, and there's none left. But we were just saying, you know, we're not surprised because for £10 for that metal unit, bargain, but they've got none. So we're gonna go find what else we were looking for from another aisle. So we just paid for our bits. I've got some little sneaky things for Christmas presents and stuff as well, so I won't show all that in this video because I don't want my sisters to see anything. But it was a good shop overall. There's a weird man that was like paying at the checkout, but you know, as you do. I'm excited about what we've got. I can't wait. Most of it's for my dad's music room that we're doing up, so I'll kind of like join it onto that video a bit. Right, we are in the lift. We're heading out. Oh, I look awful. I feel horrendous. So tired.
I hope Dad appreciates all this.
Fresh air. We can breathe again. Oh God. So Mum is stressing because I've still got my paddleboard in my car.
With a scrape.
Fit all our stuff in. But I'm gonna end the video there, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching us in IKEA because it's going to be a bit of a drive home and Mum's tired. She's now putting and lugging all the stuff into the car,
Yeah,
so I need to help her.
Do your blog, it's alright, I'll do it.
Okay, right. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you continue watching. If you haven't already, give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're interested and comment anything below if you want to as well. And I hope you enjoyed and I will see you in another video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Say bye, Mum.
Yeah, bye.